Ever wonder how people build wealth effortlessly? Welcome to Wealth Bubbles, Finance and Investing. Master money and build lasting wealth. Hit subscribe and the bell icon. Let's build wealth together. My mission is simple: to help you make smarter financial decisions and unlock the mindset of successful investors. So if you're ready to invest smarter, let's build wealth together. Remember, the stock market is not a place to get rich overnight. It's where disciplined people become wealthy. This is your journey to financial freedom. So hit subscribe and join the family. Let's grow, let's invest, let's build wealth together. Even 10 rupees a day can change your future. I am here to share ideas and must-know updates. Your financial freedom journey starts now. Most people lose money in the stock market because they make one simple mistake. On this channel, I'll show you how to avoid it and invest smarter. Subscribe and let's journey toward financial freedom. Did you know that many beginners buy the wrong stocks, emotions instead of a strategy? If your money is sitting in a savings account, inflation could be reducing its purchasing power. On this channel, you'll get stock market updates, Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, investing strategies, and financial education. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Your support motivates me to create more valuable content. StockMive regulates based on your feedback and questions. Stay tuned and financial education. Subscribe, new journey and maybe yours.